You might not realize it yet, but one of the biggest reasons people feel lonely today is because we've become dependent on validation to feel connected. Not real connection, just the feeling of being seen, liked, approved, or acknowledged. And when that external source goes quiet, loneliness rushes in. Think about it. You post something online, and for a moment, the likes make you feel noticed. Someone replies instantly, and it feels like connection. A friend constantly checks in, and it feels like certainty. But when those moments slow down, when people get busy, when everyone goes offline, suddenly you're left with silence. And for many, that silence feels like loneliness. Dependency on validation shows up in subtle ways. If your mood shifts based on whether someone texts you back quickly, if you feel uneasy when no one reacts to what you share, if you constantly worry about how people see you, these are signs. You're not just looking for connection. You're depending on approval to feel okay. But that kind of connection is fragile. It depends on timing, attention spans, and people who have their own lives. And when those external signals disappear, it's easy to feel like something is wrong with you, when really the problem isn't you. It's the dependency. Sometimes people don't realize how deep this runs. Maybe you grew up being praised for being good, smart, or useful. Maybe you've always been the listener and never the one who gets listened to. Maybe the only time you feel valued is when someone needs you. All of these experiences teach your brain to seek connection through validation, not through presence, safety, or authenticity. And that kind of connection feels good in the moment, but it doesn't last. It can't hold you. So how do you break this cycle? Start by noticing your patterns. When you feel lonely, ask yourself, am I lonely because I'm disconnected, or because no one is giving me attention right now? That question alone creates awareness, and awareness gives you power. Then begin strengthening your inner anchor. Small steps like doing something you enjoy without sharing it online, letting conversations breathe without forcing replies, or reminding yourself that someone else's silence is not a reflection of your worth. At Ember Spark Community, we created a free toolkit to help you with this. Inside, you'll find reflection prompts, grounding exercises, and simple daily practices to build inner connection instead of depending on external validation. You can get it on our Ko-Fi site. Just check the links provided. You deserve a kind of connection that doesn't disappear when someone puts their phone down. A connection that starts with you. Find your spark. Find your people.